because it creates social dysfunction from one family to another. Kaya ikaw, kung may kalaban ka, bigyan mo lang yung anak ng droga at kung maging gunggong na, ipasa mo doon sa siya niyang anak and you would have destroyed the family. Now, tanong ko sa inyo, ilang pamilya nasira dahil sa droga? If the breadwinner, ikaw ang namumuhay, taragista pag tinamaan ka ng you are useless. You no longer work. You sit in one corner there looking for the money to buy the drug. If the monkey rides on your back, yung